Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed with the pronoun. So we have completed with the exercise of pronoun. So now we are going to move towards possessive pronoun. So what is the meaning of possessive pronoun? A possessive is a pronoun that can take the place of a noun phrase to show ownership. So what is a possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that can take the place of a noun phrase to show ownership. Understood? So for the example, this phone is mine. So this phone is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun. So mine is a possessive pronoun because it takes the place of a noun. Why it is a possessive pronoun? Because it takes a place of a noun or a noun phrase. Mine here shows ownership. So mine here shows ownership and also replaces a noun. And we already know the words which replaces a noun are pronoun, right? So the words which replaces a noun are pronoun. So coming to the next example, this house is ours. So ours is a possessive pronoun because it shows a possession or belonging and take place of a noun. So these are the two examples of possessive pronoun. I'll repeat the meaning once again. A possessive pronoun that can take the place of a noun phrase to show ownership. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that can take the place of a noun phrase to show ownership. So next we'll move on to the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective refers to words which modify a noun by showing a form of possession or a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. So the meaning of adjective, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective refers to words which modify a noun by showing a form of possession or a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. Examples: this is his baseball cap. So in this sentence, his is a possessive adjective because it modify a noun baseball cap. So it modify a noun baseball cap. His here is used to express ownership for the noun baseball. So his is here to express ownership for the noun baseball cap. Understood? So next example, it is their pet dog. So there is a possessive adjective. In this sentence, their possessive adjective as it shows ownership for the noun phrase pet dog, as it shows ownership for the noun phrase pet dog. A possessive adjective is always followed by a noun. Understood? So a possessive adjective is always followed by a noun. And I'll show you some table. Look at the table. So this is the table which I have written the pronoun and the possessive pronoun words and possessive adjective words. Okay. So first here in the pronoun I. So in the possessive pronoun is mine. Possessive adjectives my. So here I'll show you the example of this, mine and my. These shoes are mine. It's a possessive pronoun. These are my shoes. It's a possessive adjective of my. Next is we. Possessive pronoun is ours. Possessive adjective is our. So these houses ours. This is our house. So can you see the difference? Next, you. Possessive pronoun is yours. Possessive adjective is your. These spectacles are yours. These are your spectacles. So here in the possessive pronoun is yours and possessive adjective is your. Next is me. So in the both possessive pronoun and possessive adjective we use his. Okay. So this bag is his. This is his bag. So here the words are same in the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Next, she. Possessive pronoun is hers. Possessive adjective is her. These bangles are hers. These are her bangles. Next, coming to the pronoun they. Possessive pronoun is theirs and possessive adjective is their. Those cars are theirs. Those are their cars. So you can see the difference, right? So the sentences are the same, similar, but possessive pronoun and the possessive adjectives which we have used is different, right? Possessive adjectives are nouns are following position of words, and possessive pronoun position words are taking the place of a noun. So now let's move on to the exercise which is given in your course book. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So read these sentences. The farm is grandma's. The farm is hers. This is grandma's farm. This is her farm. So in the first page we have used hers. So hers is used in the place of grandma's. In the place of grandma's, hers is used. That is possessive pronoun. So possessive pronoun is used in the place of a noun. Next, this is grandma's farm. This is her farm. So in the second pair, her. Her is used. Her is used to replace grandma's. So hers is used to replace grandma's. It is used to describe a noun. It is a possessive adjective. So it is used to describe a noun. It is a possessive adjective. So here are the list you can see. Possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. And coming to the possessive adjective, my, our, your, his, her, their, its. So by this you need to complete these sentences. So 5 sentences they have given. You have to complete it with possessive pronoun and the possessive adjective. Okay. So first one, I'll be showing the example. Rahul and I will share the pizza. So Rahul and I will share the pizza. This is my share. So I'm using possessive adjective. So this is my share and this is his. So here I have used possessive pronoun. So my is in possessive adjective and his in possessive pronoun. So the next 4 questions are left. So that you need to do in your course book itself. And next I'll be showing. Take the turns to make a sentence using a possessive adjective. Your partner will be saying some sentence by using a possessive pronoun related to it. So here I'll be showing, isn't that your book? So you can see, isn't that your book? So your. So isn't that book dash? So if you use, I told you in the table, if you use your in the possessive adjective, so in the possessive pronoun is yours. Isn't that book yours? So understood? So next sentence, these are my sketch pens. So for the my, so what we use for the my here in the possessive pronoun. So possessive adjective is my. So in the possessive pronoun is mine. So like that you need to fill. So other two dashes also are there in the next page. So here are some more dashes you need to do in your course book itself.